In this lecture we'll talk about the shadow, adding a shadow to an object, drop shadow tool in CorelDRAW, and some other tools inside this option. This is a group of tools inside CorelDRAW. So first of all, let me create some very basic boxes like this one, make it color that, and this to color this. The first tool is to add some, when you select this tool, drop shadow, you can add shadow to any object you have selected here. For example, this one, just click and drop and drag down here, you will see a shadow. And for this I will just say like this, sorry, so we'll have a shadow here, and this one will have a shadow here, and this one will have a shadow. Oh, sorry, just you have to click to select the object first and then just drag down. So you can add this kind of shadows to any objects you want. This is a simple option. Now the next option, this one is contour tool, is very important. You have to select the object and then make, oh sorry, first you have to select the object, then click, and inside you can make another object from here, and you can see the setting for it. There are many settings. For example, to center, if you click this thing and now click this one, you will see some kind of this kind of objects. You can change the color to something like this, and the point is only one. If you add more points, this will make more points. So now, sorry, I will just add some more points here. We'll make it 2. Now you see, this is another thing. I just remove them all and create a new object here. Now I will click again this option, and in here I will click this, so you can see automatically it has added some things. And I can add more if I want. Can make it less to 1, or can add more points. As much as you want you can add, but basically I have done something wrong, like I have selected a color for the objects. Will remove the color. Now again I will just create an object and put a color into it. Now I'll select this option, and just you need to just draw it from here like this, from the center. You can make many points you want. You can create beautiful shapes just by clicking the center of this object or this rectangle. You can then increase or decrease the more boxes here. Inside that, in this, all options are for just changing the backgrounds. Inside color you can change with this, and the background, the outline, you can change with this. So basically this is a very nice option. You can use its size and other options. Very simple to use. And here we have another option, another tool, basically this one, blend tool. Blend tool is always used for two objects, connecting two objects and making a shape out of them. For example, I have this shape and I have one more shape here with this color. So I'll just click this and select the blend tool. Now just select this one and bring it here, so it will create a shape like this. So this is really simple tool. Now the next tool is this one, distort. For distort I will create a shape and will add a color to it, and now just go here, click distort, and now you can make any shape from it. Just click in the center and drag anywhere you want. It will make a shape like this, or like this, or anything like this, a beautiful flower, or anything like this, or like this. Whatever you want you can make out of this. thing using this simple desktop tool. Now the next is envelope tool. We just need to create another object for this so you guys can understand it. Just click it. You can see there are many options for this. So this will actually click this option and you can directly make a beautiful object like this. It works, or the nodes, you have to select the nodes basically. Again, I will just draw a circle, put a color in it. Now click this envelope tool and just you see the nodes here, it works, or the nodes. Click it, can make it very smoothly like this. You can create very beautiful and nice shapes using this option very simply. Now the next option is this extrude. This will make a 3D shape. Something, if I create this one, now click this extrude, you can see it makes a little bit shape like in 3D style. Just always you can use the center to make something happen. If I bring it to another side, you can see this is a 3D shape now. These are really simple tools. We discussed about 6 tools: shadow, contour, blend, distort, envelope and extrude. So I hope you have understood them. They are very simple, you can try yourself, and we have to actually complete these all tools so we can start on the projects. The next tool is transparency tools and eyedropper tool. So we have just 2 classes or 2 lectures left in this section, so after that we can go a little bit advanced.